name's Leona and I'm the founder of Absolute Cleaning Angels. For this, I was running other cleaning business which didn't really take off, but since being with Francis, this side of the business seems to be doing really well, and I'm continuing to get leads in every day. So I've been working with Francis now for a few months on Absolute Cleaning Angels. He has helped me tremendously, and to the point that I've receiving phone calls every day. Within a space of a week, I've received 4 new clients, and like I said before, every day I'm getting phone calls. What I'd like to think it'll get bigger and maybe nationwide, but all will tell. But I certainly know with Francis behind me, I've certainly got nothing to worry about. The confidence that he has given me in my business has been tremendous, and I will be forever thankful to him for that. But I will continue to work with him as the business grows, and we'll take it from there. Known Francis for quite some time now. Very lovely man, knows exactly what he's doing, what he's talking about, and I would definitely recommend him to anybody.
With You Digital, we are with you every step of the way.